Hedge fund managers love to declare that their fund has made 2% over the past year. But 2% is something people laugh at in the crypto world. They brush it aside. But before you do, consider that 2% can sometimes mean millions or even billions of dollars being moved and made, and everything else will follow. Hello and welcome back to Crypto A1, where we will be showing you the latest tips and tricks in the financial space, as well as business and entrepreneurship. Bitcoin and crypto never sleep, and neither do we. In today's video, I will go through Bitcoin and altcoin price predictions. Of course, nothing on this channel should be construed as financial advice. Take this information and do your own research. Before we get going, be sure to like this video if you haven't already, as it really does help out the channel a lot. And subscribe with notifications on for more crypto-related videos like this one. That being said, let's get into it. Though Bitcoin has had a bumpy start to the year, experts still predict it will hit $100,000 eventually, and it's purely a question of when, not if. After having been stuck around $40,000 in recent weeks, Bitcoin's price climbed above $45,000 Sunday for the first time since March 2, and topped $47,000 Monday morning. Prices remained steady at $47,000 as of Wednesday morning. This surge follows announcements earlier this month by the Federal Reserve that it would raise interest rates for the first time in 3 years, along with a new executive order by President Joe Biden on cryptocurrency. The order directs government agencies to develop a strategy for regulating cryptocurrency. Experts say the ruling could boost crypto market stability in the long run. Recent volatility in Bitcoin has also resulted from Russia's war in Ukraine. According to experts, the war may continue to drive more volatility in the coming days, since there is no end in sight. The price of Bitcoin hasn't gone above $50,000 since December 25 of 2021. And it has only been above $45,000 for a few short stretches over the last 3 months. Nonetheless, Bitcoin has remained above its 6-month low below $34,000 in late January. It fluctuates in price, but it is still far from its all-time high when it shot up to more than $68,000 in November. But despite the recent drop, the currency is still twice as valuable as it was just a couple of years ago. These types of ups and downs are nothing new for Bitcoin. It was easy to forecast a $100,000 Bitcoin price late last year, following its recent all-time high in November. However, the prediction game has become even more complicated with Bitcoin's significant decline since then. Some crypto skeptics predict Bitcoin will plummet to $10,000 this 2022. But a possible middle ground is that it will still climb to $100,000, just on a slower timetable than many experts predicted late last year. Kate Waltman, a New York-based certified public accountant who specializes in crypto, said back in 2021 that the most knowledgeable educators in the space are predicting $100,000 Bitcoin in Q1 2022 or sooner. However, bullish experts are now reassessing the crypto market altogether, as major corporations like Nike and other large brands are looking for new ways to monetize their products in the digital metaverse. Games, worlds, products, and experiences in the metaverse have increased the popularity of altcoins, changing investor perceptions about Bitcoin, which is known to be the original crypto. Most experts are reluctant to predict an exact number and a date, but rather indicate that Bitcoin will continue to increase in value over time. Jurian Timmer, director of global macro at Fidelity Investments, predicted that Bitcoin's long-term value would rise at pretty sustainable rates through organic market movement, and that the $100,000 threshold is not far away. Kiana Daniel, founder of InvestDiva and author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, predicts that Bitcoin will be volatile in the short term, but growing in the long term. The next topic we'll explore is predicting how high Ethereum's price could go in 2022, a make or break year. There are many altcoins out there, but Ethereum is the best known. it is much more than just another cryptocurrency for both investors and enthusiasts. Experts predict that its value could grow by 400% by 2022. Ether, or ETH, Ethereum's native token, has seen a tremendous increase in value since it was founded. With lots of volatility along the way, Ether's price has risen from $0.311 from its launch in 2015 to around $4,800 at its highest late last year. The price of Ether has recently climbed above $3,500 again, representing a lifetime return of investment, or ROI, for more than 700,000% at the time of writing. Ethereum stands out among cryptocurrencies because its utility as a software network allows developers to build and power new tools, apps, and NFTs. There are many uses and applications for this blockchain-based software across the tech world, especially in gaming, music, entertainment, and decentralized finance, or DeFi. This makes it one of the most popular and widely used virtual currencies this past year. Other experts claim that ETH's price will continue to fluctuate even more than Bitcoin in the coming months. Their reason is that Ethereum will transition its technology to a less energy-intensive version called Ethereum 2.0. The upgrade could make Ethereum more attractive and sustainable for mass adoption. Still, for now, experts are watching how investors and companies building their techs on Ethereum will react to the upgrade. Here are some predictions for the price of Ethereum this year based on these factors. $4,000 to $5,000. While it may be difficult to predict the price of a volatile cryptocurrency, some experts believe that ETH could once again reach $4,000 in 2022. According to Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mike McGlone, Ethereum will end the year between $4,000 and $4,500. $6,500 to $8,000. The crypto news outlet Coinpedia predicted ETH could end 2022 between $6,500 and $7,500 if the same bullish upswing that started in mid-2021 were to continue. However, 2022 showed that sentiment cannot drive Ethereum's price up on its own due to a bearish downturn in crypto markets. The blockchain platform is now facing significant competition from similar platforms filling in its gaps while the Ethereum team transitions to its second-generation updates. In an episode of CoinDesk's First Mover on January 12th, Henry Arslanian, the global crypto leader at PwC, said Ethereum was the only game in town. But to keep Ether's price rising, investors need to see improved functionality and demand. Ian Bellina, investor and founder of crypto research and media company Token Metrics, told NextAdvisor that Ethereum may reach $8,000 shortly. Ethereum is clearly the leader, but other blockchains onboard new users faster because of Ethereum's high gas fees and slow transactions. $12,000 and above. A successful transition to Ethereum 2.0 will lead to Ethereum's price increasing even further to $12,962.33 by 2022, according to Coinpedia. The service fees for using Ethereum are notoriously high right now, so the new upgrade could make it more affordable to mint and develop products with Ethereum. Now, let's talk about some predictions for the rest of the altcoins, starting with the Binance Coin, or BNB. Binance Coin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies today, with a daily trade volume exceeding $1 billion. Some analysts argue that it is still at high risk from huge volatility, as the price may still plummet. Nevertheless, some bull experts predict that Binance will still cross the $1,000 threshold by the end of 2022. Solana, or SOL. Solana's price may have started rising back in February of 2021, but it wasn't hit as hard as ETH and BTC by the late spring crash. Following a relatively slow surge in June and July, its value broke through in mid-August and continued to rise until mid-September. Experts predict that the SOL price will stabilize this year and hit $300 or even $400. Dogecoin, or Doge. The reason behind Doge's sudden rise in 2020 was predicted by some analysts who claimed it was a worthy long-term investment. According to estimates from 2022, the crypto will reach $0.27 by the end of the year and $0.3 by the start of next year. Shiba Inu or SHIB. Last May, SHIB jumped, but Doge quickly pushed it down. However, the crypto began to gain momentum again in June. According to some experts, the SHIB is predicted to reach $0.00007698 by June 2022 and $0.00008267 by the end of the year. Terra or Luna. Luna is expected to cross the $105 mark this 2022 with a maximum price value of more than $120. Cardano or ADA. Over the past year, ADA tokens have grown approximately 600%. Market analysts predict its price will cross the $2 mark during the first quarter of 2022 and climb to $3. Polkadot or DOT. DOT's creators are developing their own blockchain platform and clearing a path to get incorporated into major cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide. This will increase its value to $60 according to technical analysis. Cosmos or Atom. According to Marcus Soterio, an analyst at UK-based digital asset broker Global Block, the best performing Layer 1 altcoin in 2022 could be Cosmos because it will have significant adoption from major assets at present such as Binance Chain, OKX, Crypto.com, Terra, and Thorchain or Rune. Avalanche or AVAX. AVAX technical analysis and price prediction point to the coin crossing the $130 mark in 2022. According to Steve Ehrlich, CEO of cryptocurrency platform Voyager Digital, the markets are just now beginning to see and appreciate Avalanche's scale, speed, and efficiency. He added that investors and users will flock to platforms that can handle the throughput as other platforms struggle to scale. So that's it for today. If you're still here, I bet you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll regularly post finance videos to help you grow abundantly, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.